How to tag everyone in WhatsApp group at once. First of all, let's navigate and open the WhatsApp app on your phone and unlock it if you have set password security. Once you are on the chat page, find the group chat where you want to tag everyone. Once you find it, tap to open it. Now here in the message box, type text if you want to and then select @ from the keypad. The list of group members will appear at the top of the message box. If you find the option @everyone, simply tap on it. But in the latest WhatsApp version, this feature is no longer exist. So if you want to tag everyone, you need to select them one by one by typing @ each time. Once all members has been selected, tap on send button. And that's it. You have successfully tagged everyone in a WhatsApp group at once. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.